Hello, and welcome to your introductory video on the Honeywell evoQ4 replacement battery installation. Today we're going to go over the features of the battery system, what to look for, and how to recognize it. The first thing to notice is that on a replacement battery system, there'll be a stainless steel receptacle on the top of the meter head that is there for the battery to be inserted into. You'll see two stainless steel prongs. These prongs are there to help guide the battery directly into the receptacles where your screws will set in. There'll be a plastic protective cap. Remove that and lift up the head. You'll also have a battery inside of a bag that looks like this. And the battery here will come out and it'll have a plastic protective cap for the installation of the battery male adapter to the female adapter. Take them out, take the screws, put your finger on the screws, and just release the screws by pushing on the screws lightly and turn them counterclockwise to release them until the screws are flush with the housing of the battery. Once they're both flush, you'll take the battery, insert it onto the receptacle, and push down. Once you have that done, you'll be able to see the stainless steel guides will be in line with the circular guide holes. Now take your T10 screwdriver and push down on the battery a little bit, and it'll set into the receptacles for the screw and tighten them up. You do both sides. For this video, we're not going to tighten it all the way just so we can do it again, but for your actual installation, you will screw it all the way down. Once you screw it all the way down, you'll notice the digital readout will illuminate with all of the readings on the meter head. At that point, you are set to install the meter, and it's ready to go. Close the cap back down, and you have a finished installation. Any questions, please contact Platsky Company at 516-333-9292. You could also go to the Honeywell website under water metering, and you'll be able to find helpful installation instructions and other information regarding the water meter there.